Before discussing any rules, let's discuss these sentences first. 5 sentences. I hope you have written the answers also. Shivam, copycat. 5th question. Okay, they didn't like the cake. Right, Avni? Done? Harsa is done? Okay, so the first sentence. She plucks flowers from the plant. Akshima, let's start with this part. Okay, correct, Bhavika. Hardik, what is the answer? Yes. Loudly. Okay. Flowers plugged. Okay. Okay. Raghav. Okay. Harsha has done. The flowers. See, whatever the phrase we have after the object, what we do usually, we keep that phrase at the end only. Okay. No need to bring that here. So we'll just take this part. Object. It's flowers are. Okay, not were there, it is are. Why? Present tense. Okay, so the flowers are plucked from the plants by her. Next is, the jury are announcing the results in a few minutes. हाँ जी हार्दिक, फिर वही मिस्टेक, इन अ फ्यू मिनट्स को नहीं हम आगे लेकर जाएंगे, ठीक है? अदरवाइज द सेंटेंस इज करेक्ट. So the results are being announced in a few minutes by the jury. The results are being announced in a few minutes by right. Next is, Arpita has forgotten his name. His name was has been. If we have has, have, had, we are going to use that verb only, okay? And we are going to introduce been. So it is, his name has been forgotten by Arpita. Okay? Yes, flowers from not exactly Anvay. Okay, the movie. I had watched the movie earlier. So the movie had been watched earlier by me or by me earlier. Okay. So it is the movie had been watched earlier by me. And what is the last answer? The cake was okay. Yes, correct, Anmol. Yes, Bani. The cake was not liked by them. And if we skip them, means if we skip by agent, still it is going to be the correct sentence. The cake was not liked. If we stop here, still the sentence is correct because it is understood that somebody else didn't like the cake. Okay. Liked by. In some cases, when we have subjects like somebody, someone, anyone, anybody, usually we skip these subjects. While changing the sentence into passive, we skip these subjects. Okay. Somebody didn't like the cake. Suppose it is somebody didn't like the cake. So we can write the cake was not liked. Full stop. No need to write by someone, somebody, anyone, anybody. Okay. In that case, we can skip the subject. Subject means here when it becomes the agent. Got it? Yes, Punya, correct. It is also correct. So let's start. I think only model auxiliaries are left. So now in case we have model auxiliaries. Punya, I have replied. Yes, this is correct. Any other thing? Any other doubt? So now let's start with the model auxiliaries. Can, could, should, would, may, might, must, ought to. With these, we are not supposed, see, it is very much clear that we are not going to change these. Can to could, shall to should, will to would. No, will to we have already discussed. So we are not going to change them into any other model auxiliary. If these are used, we have to use these in passive also. But with the addition, that's it. That is the rule. What we are going to do, like in future tense, we have introduced be, will be, done, will be, seen. Same way, for model auxiliaries also, we are going to use be. Finish. Clear? Is it clear? Yes. So now if I write, is it visible now? We have model auxiliary. Passengers must wear seat belts. So what should be the answer for this? Seat belt must be. No, wear is not the third form. Worn. Seat belts must be worn by. If we skip passengers, still it is okay. By passengers. If we skip this part, still it is okay. Okay. Yes, must be worn by passengers. You should have the knowledge of all the forms of verbs. Otherwise, your sentence is going to be wrong. Correct? Done? Okay. Now, six hours. Be quick. They can question him for 6 hours. He can. Yes, correct. Yes, only Bani. What about others? Why? Okay. Anyone else? Yes, Harry, your answer. I'll write he here. He. Next. Check the rule. What is the rule? Can be questioned for 6 hours by them. By them. Is it okay? Clear? Clear? Yes, if you have any doubt, please ask. Rohit, that is not at all a doubt. Okay, now. ये वाले वर्ड जब इनको यूज करते हुए यहाँ पे सेंटेंस आएगा तो आपने वो एज इट इज वर्ड लिखना है, मतलब वो मॉडल लिखना है एंड देन प्लस बी, फिर थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. बस रूल्स आर सेम. Okay, now there are few sentences when we have two objects. I hope you know about these. You know about these sentences or not? No? Very good. Let me show you. The sentences with two objects. This is a sentence, okay? Radha gave flowers to Priya. Radha gave flowers to Priya. Now, can you identify the object here? Okay. Flowers. Jayavant, I'm just asking to find out the object. Object. Flowers. I don't know who has given this answer. One is flowers, other is Priya. Do you remember the rule? Direct object, indirect object, transitive verbs. When we have transitive verbs, Sometimes there is only one object, that is called direct object, right? And other is indirect object. याद है कि नहीं? लग नहीं रहा मुझे, याद है? Okay, so in such type of cases where we have two objects, how to find out the object? Radha gave flowers to Priya. Radha gave what? Flowers. This is direct object. Radha gave flowers to whom? To Priya. This is indirect object. Okay, so we ask what to find direct? To or for whom? To find indirect object. Okay, so in this case you can change your sentence into passive one by using both of the objects. You can use both objects to change the sentence into passive. Can you do that? Use direct object first. Flowers are first is going to be like this. Flowers were given to Priya by Radha, or flowers were given by Radha to Priya. Okay. Now use Priya, second object. Second object. Now use second object and write down the sentence. Use second object, that is Priya. Priya. Same rules are same. Priya. Which verb? Priya was. Priya was given. Priya was given flowers by Radha. Simple? Yes. Yes, Hardik is here. You have to, it is your, see, if such type of sentence come in your exam, so it means if you have to write only one passive. You can choose either this subject or that subject. Your answer is going to be correct. Means no need to write two sentences. You have to write only one. Use any object. It is totally up to you. Okay. But the grammar means the rule, that structure that you are going to use, and the tense, that should be correct. Okay. Is it correct? Any doubt? Yes, if you have any doubt. No? Okay, then I'm going to give you sentences, but I think we have exercises also. So take out your books first. Let us finish that exercise and then we'll start. Page number 149. Page number 151. Page number 151, exercise A. Be quick. Solve the exercise. Just done. That's good. If there is any, solve first 5. And if there is any interrogative or imperative sentence, then leave that sentence. Okay. No need to do 5th sentence. So this way you have to do 9 sentences. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Be quick. This question, that is interrogative. We haven't discussed the rules for interrogative sentences. So your books. Done. Okay, so I got the answer. First is, the waiter at the restaurant served hot tea. A waiter at the restaurant served hot tea. Hot tea was served by the waiter at the restaurant. Okay. So hot tea was served. Hot tea was served by the waiter at the restaurant. Hot tea was served by the waiter at the restaurant. Next is the superstitious villagers readily believed his stories. Punya, it's 151. 151. Hanji. So what is the answer? His stories. His stories were readily. Yes, yes, this is also correct. Who is this? Hanji, Anvay, that is correct. So his stories were readily believed by the superstitious villagers. His stories were readily believed by the superstitious villagers. Next sentences, my mother has forgiven me for my rude behavior. Again. Rude. It's not rudy, it's rude. Rude behavior. Has been forgiven by my mother. So, my rude behavior has been forgiven by my mother, or I have been forgiven for my rude behavior. If you don't write my mother, still it is okay. It's not I had, but it's I have been forgiven. Okay, have been. You can use any subject, sorry, any object. There are two objects, so you can use any object to change the sentence into passive. First is my rude behavior has been forgiven, or second is I have been forgiven then for my rude behavior by my mother. Make sure you use the correct tense. It's has plus been plus forgiven. The noise of the crackers shocked us. We were shocked by the noise of the crackers. We were shocked by the noise of the crackers. Fifth, leave. That is, we haven't discussed. My friend conducts classes twice a week. Classes are conducted twice a week by my friend. Classes are conducted twice a week by my friend. Twice a week by my friend. Are you writing, Shivam? You have book. The jury has found the accused innocent of all charges. Hardik, do one thing. The accused, don't write innocent of all charges. That we'll write later. Yes, what is the answer? Be quick. Those who are online. The jury has found the accused innocent of all charges. Use innocent of all charges after the verb. Be quick, type your answer. Okay, the accused, no. The accused has been found. The accused has been found innocent of all charges by the jury. The accused has been found, bache. Who is this? Manas. If has, have, had is used, we are going to use that verb only. Has been found, the accused has been found innocent of all charges by the jury. Next is the instructor advised us to practice daily. The instructor advised us to practice daily. We were advised by the instructor, or we were advised to practice daily by the instructor. We were advised to practice daily by the instructor. We were advised, correct. Next is Lee is playing the sitar. Sitar, I think this is simple. Sitar is being played. Don't forget the verb being. Sitar is being, B-E-I-N-G, being played by Lee. Sitar is being played by Lee. Next is Rukun was washing the dishes when the dishes were washed by Rukun when you, sorry, being. The dishes were being washed. The dishes were being washed by Rukun. Yes, correct, Avni. The dishes were being washed. Then continue the sentence. The dishes were being washed. Yes, correct. Next page. 152. The director wrote the script. The director wrote the script. The script. No, bache, was simple past is there, na? Was, were plus third form of the verb. Simple. The script was written by the director. Correct. Anyway, that will come. That will come. When we came, we have to include that. The script was written by the director. Someone left a phone in the theater. Now someone is there. So if you skip the subject, still the sentence is correct. Abhi kya kaha maine? If you skip someone, so yes, it is a phone was left in the theater, full stop. A phone was left in the theater, full stop. A phone was left in the theater, full stop. Not required. Obviously, किसी ना किसी ने छोड़ा होगा. If someone is written, it means they are generalizing, not in particular. Okay. So in this case, subject is agent is understood. That is why we don't write subjects. But if you write, still the sentence is not going to be the incorrect one. He will water the lawn tomorrow. The lawn. Very good. The lawn will be watered by him tomorrow, or the lawn will be watered tomorrow by him. Next is, before the elections, the politicians had promised clean drinking water for all. Yes. Before the elections, comma, clean drinking water had been promised for all by the politician. हम क्या करते हैं, verb के बाद वो rest of the phrase we write after the verb. So before the elections, comma, clean drinking water had been promised for all by the politician. Correct. Next is, Rohit must follow my directions. Rohit, listen carefully. So my directions must be followed by Rohit. My directions must be followed by Rohit. He'll come out with some stupid answer. Chalo. 16th, leave the 16th sentence. 17th, astronauts may discover water on Mars. Water may be discovered by astronauts on Mars, or water may be discovered on Mars by astronauts. Water may be discovered on Mars by astronauts. Children are plucking flowers from the garden. Don't write the, because it is not written there. So flowers are being plucked from the garden by children. Flowers are being plucked from the garden by children. This is the last sentence. By the year 2050, scientists will have discovered an alternative to petrol. See, if there is will plus have means perfect, so you have to add what? When we have perfect tense, what do we add? Been. So write down, by the year 2050, an alternative to petrol will have been discovered by scientists. An alternative to petrol will have been discovered, yes, by scientists. Got it? Okay, good. Okay, bye.